guys, today I'm unboxing a tripod. A tripod is used to mount a camera and a mobile phone. We brought it from Amazon UK and its brand is Endurax. It can be up to 66 inches tall, which is even taller than me. We got the parcel just now. Let's unbox it. I'm so excited to open this. There is another package. This is the whole box. Okay. Okay, that part is cut. And that part is cut. I'm now just gonna open it. I'm very excited to open it, so I'm gonna open it from there and then from there. I'm gonna take it out now. I've taken it out, put the box there, and now I just need to zip it open. There's the zip. I've opened the box and there's the... Oh my god, it's huge. And here's the tripod. So I'm gonna take it out now. Some screws and some stuff. Gonna take the whole thing out now. Here's the manual. I'm just gonna put it here. And some other small stuff. This is the tripod. You can mount your camera here. This hole goes there. This is where you can put your phone, and this hole goes there. And finally, this part goes here. And then you just fix it. And this is how you move it. So I told you that this can go up to 66 inches. Let me show you how. So you open the latches and then it increases in height. You can do that with all of them and push them back down. And then you can close them again. And you can pretty much do them with all three of these. So I'm going to do with this one. Push them back down. As you can see, I've extended all of the legs and it's now taller than me, but I can make it even taller by doing this. and that's the highest it can go, and now it's way, way, way taller than me. As you can see, now I have mounted the Nikon 5200 camera. This is how it looks like, and bye.